Shut up.
It's all good, Alo.
That dog wants to be
No, Bucky.
Bucky. Express the way I feel for you. So don't you get me wrong. That's the reason I'm writing this song for you. Now baby, listen. I said listen if you really want a deeper explanation. Listen closely, pay attention, give the confrontation. I love the patience to live with no hesitation. Love the patience to live with no hesitation. Baby, you got me going crazy. Pretty lady. Hey, who's doing that high voice? Do that louder. You go crazy. Come on, out of here. Oh, now your love is like fire. You're making me burn. Sweet kisses like a Hershey. Now, what do you prefer? A kiss on your cheek with every turn. My love is so true. Now tell me what's more to learn. You got me going crazy, yes indeed. You got my heart, but you better believe. I trust you when I trust in me. Baby, believe, baby, believe. Now make your way to me nice and slow. You play the drums up till the lights turn low. Right here, my pretty lady. You got down, you got me going crazy. Baby, you got me going crazy. Pretty lady. You got me going crazy. Listen, if you really want that deeper explanation. Listen closely, pay attention, it's the confrontation. I love the patience to live no hesitation. I love the patience to live no hesitation.
Thank you.
Woo!
Good.
Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.